Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tracy Ntanzi. Today we're going to be installing a 13x4 10-inch bob wig. It is beginner friendly. So right now I am putting on my wig cap, which is very important to use a wig cap before you install your wig. It will just ensure that your hair is safe underneath the wig. And then now I am putting on my Isoplus edge gel just to sleek back my edges so that they are completely out of the way when I install my wig. It is absolutely important to make sure that you push your edges back when installing your wig, just to protect your edges from the glue. Now I'm using my mini fan just to dry that up. Now I'm going in with a wet wipe just to wipe off the makeup on my forehead. And then now I'm using a foundation stick to tint my wig cap. I'm using the Signature Cosmetics foundation stick in the shade Caramello. This is the wig and I did prep it off camera. So now I am going to tint the lace using the same foundation stick. Now I'm putting on the wig, and it does have a band, which I really like. I love wigs that have a band, an adjustable band. So now I am making sure that the wig sits well, just tugging it and making sure that I position it properly before going in with a glue.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'm going in with the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray, and I'm going in with my first layer, and I'm using little by little. I made a mistake by applying this on my hair because it did leave a white cast. You guys will see it later on in the video, but I still think the install came out pretty well regardless. Now I'm going in with my mini fan and just drying that up before going in with the second layer. Now I am drying that up using the same mini fan. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm just pushing away the hair, because the mini hairs in the front, they do tend to get in the way as you're installing your wig. So it's very important to just push that back with your comb as you are progressing with your install. Now I am applying my lace melt band, and I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm doing a double melt, and this just helps to make sure that by the time I remove the lace melt band, my lace is melted.
Purchase your tracks today.
After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove that. Now I'm taking a wet wipe and rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to remove the excess residue that the blasting free spray left.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'm going in with my foundation stick, the same foundation stick that I used earlier. I'm just going in with that to tint the lace further. Now I am taking my lace melting spray and I'm just applying that with my index finger just to melt the lace.
Purchase your tracks today.
After that, I went in with the ISO Plus spritz, doing the exact same thing, just applying it on my index finger to further melt my lace. Now I'm just drying that up with my mini fan. Now I'm taking another lace melt band and I'm just applying that. I'm going to leave that on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I removed the lace melt band and then I took the wipe again just to remove the residue left over on my forehead. Now I am opening up my parting. I decided to do a side part, and now I realized that the got to be glued left a white cast on the front part of my hair, so I was just trying to remove that swiftly. Now I'm sectioning out my baby hairs. I have worn this wig before, but the baby hairs that I did the last time, I did not really like how they came out, so I decided to just do smaller baby hairs, and I think they came out really well. So I'm just twisting those baby hairs just to section them out and away from the rest of the hair. You want to take your time when sectioning out your baby hairs. You can go ahead and pluck them if you feel that they are too thick. However, like I said, I did install this wig before, so there were baby hairs that were there as well, but I just decided to just carve them out better than I did the last time. By the way, if you guys want to know all the products that I used on this video, I did do a wig installation essentials video, which I will link down below so you can check it out. On that video, I mentioned all the products that I use when I install my wigs, so definitely go and check that out. Now I'm using sectioning clips just to section away the rest of the hair so that I can focus fully on the baby hairs.
30 hertz straight up.
Now I am taking my mini straightener and I am curling my baby hairs just to make it easier for me to swoop them. Now I'm cutting the baby hairs, and then I'm going to go in with the olive oil hair mousse just to help me with swooping the baby hairs.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
Now I'm going in with the Got to Be Glued gel just to make sure that my edges stay in place. Now I am just combing my hair, just making sure that I detangle it before moving on. Now I'm taking the same olive oil hair mousse just to tame the flyaways on my frontal, and then I'm going in with the wax stick. And as you guys can see, I made a mistake and I messed up my baby hairs, but I did go back and fix that.
30 hertz straight up.
Now I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm just making sure that my frontal is completely flat. Now I'm taking my foundation stick and I'm applying that on my forehead. I actually made a mistake. I should have actually used my actual foundation because the line of demarcation that I created did not go away after using that foundation stick. That is why I don't use it on my face and I just use it only on my lace because it really does not even show at all. But anyways, we move. Now I'm going in with my Perfect Touch Heat Defense Spray and I'm applying that all over my hair before going in with my straightener. I went in with the serum. I actually forgot to show you guys, but I went in with a serum, a silicone serum, and now I'm wiping my hands using a wet wipe before going in with my comb and then using my straightener right after. So I did prep this wig off camera before I installed it, so I didn't really have to do much because it was already sleek and straight. Now I am proceeding to comb my hair just to make sure that no tangles are on the hair. Now I'm taking the Clicks Ultra Hold spray and applying that on my frontal. Now I'm taking a concealer just to define my parting.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video really helped, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.